Install the film trimmer. Remove the 2 screws on the back. Install the holder of waste ink tank. Connect the waste ink tube, then turn on the waste ink tank. Loosen the screws. Thread the ink tubes through the hole in the housing. Secure the housing with screws. Place ink bottles on the holder in turn, follow the label. Connect the ink tubes in turn. Connect the wire to the stir motor. Remove the screws of the film roll holder. Install the film roll holder. Pass the rods through the holes in the bracket. Install the DTF film on the holder. Lift the pinch rollers. Pass the film through the platform, fix the film edges with media clips. Press down the pinch rollers. Before adding white ink into the ink bottle, shake it for 30 seconds. Add ink to bottle as labeled. Connect the power cable and turn on the switch. Connect the printer and computer using the network cable. Power on the printer. Open the inspection door. Use a 3mm Allen screwdriver to remove the 2 screws and detach the fixing plate. Remove the screws on the housing. Detach the housing. Use a syringe to draw ink until the ink damper is fully filled. Install the housing. Open white ink circulation knob, turn off after 1 minute. Cleaning automatically and printhead test.